What's up guys, Steamy here, welcome back to Oxygen Not Included. Now, we finally got our lavatory systems and stuff set up. Now, what we need to do is get a filter in here to filter out the water. And get it back in here somehow. So, I think we're currently working on that. So, let's let them go. Do we get a new guy? Or do we wait a bit? Let's get a new guy. Let's see, we've got someone who's squeamish, can't do care, germ resistant, and diver's lungs. This one might be good. I mean, she can't. Is squeamish, but her name's Grossman. It's very close to being gross. But yeah, I think she will. She's the better one. Okay. I think I'll do that. Where's my research? Using sand, yeah. Okay, so I'm very close to getting this now, which is good. Right, let's put the pump down here, ready. Must be built in uproot. Okay, and then let's put the liquid pump here. There we go. So it's all ready. Okay, and then let's dig that and that and that and that and that. Oh, I need another bed. Oh, sorry guys. Right. Right, so what will I do after that? Temperature management. I need something oxygen related. I need something to create more oxygen. I mean, this will give me, will convert slime into algae, which means I'll be able to do the, that might be good. Uses water to filter carbon dioxide out of the air. Basic farming. Algae terrarium. And remove some. Yeah, I think we'll go with that one next then. Because the temperature here doesn't seem to be all that bad, but The slime thing, I don't seem to really have any slime around here except for this bit here. The rest of it's all granite and... Well, there's a bit down here too. Okay. Let's see, do I have any jobs that I can give to people? Gopher, general engineer, farmhand, groundskeeper, sous chef, student. Oh, you're very close to becoming a scientist there. That's great. Okay. Oh, you increased in skill. Need some more mush bars. Mop. Okay. Come on, a little bit more. And speed up through time. So we can get this research done. Oh, they're all off to bed. Let's do some more. How's the oxygen up there? The oxygen's okay. So, let's put another one of these up there. There we go. Oh! What was that? Oh, it's not because my research completed. Ooh, can I now make the this one? Let's have a look, see if they'll make it. Oh! No research. Okay, so... Where would my... Is it there? What's it? Produces clean water from polluted water using sand. Okay. Can't put that anyway just yet. Right. Dig all that out, please. because it's going to go here. Right, so output pipe, input pipe. Okay. Right. Then I need power. And so that's about to fall if I don't do that. There we go. Right. So now, what I need is power again going to that. And then there, I think. Let's see if that works. Oh, they're all going to sleep. Research, basic farming. As well, ready for the morning. I'd also like to build another battery. Oh no! Quickly, someone do that. There we go. Let's fix that. There we go. And then I want this pipe going from there. Oh, nope. Then I have to have one of the liquid bridge over this one. There. And then a vent. Actually. How do I deconstruct these ones, please? Let's slow down a bit. Okay, and then pipes again. There we go. Okay. Right, so now I need them to dig out the center bit as well. So we're getting there, slowly. I ballsed up my, thing a bit here, though. What's up with you? Oh, it's not in liquid at the minute. Yeah, I messed that up. Okay, so I can now build algae terrariums. Okay, and I can now build a planter, which I'm going to put a couple up here. Okay. So next, what shall we research next? Electric grill, mess table, farm tile, battery, switch, wire. Gas, liquid, insulated piping. Oh, I apologise if you hear any drilling. We're currently fixing a cupboard. Right, so what do we want next? Maybe this one. Let's go with that one. Okay. And then we're going to want that. Oh, the piping, the piping, the piping. And then we want the bridge like that. There we go. Hopefully this should work. It's pumping. It's pumping it. I think it ran out of power. No? Possibly because it's just got nowhere to go at the minute. What are you doing? Should probably make some more food. Oh, and in there we shall plant some of that and some of that. And hopefully it'll be nice and warm for them in there. I'm gonna dig this out here. Come on, somebody, you gotta do my my pipes and stuff. Okay. So what's wrong? I don't have any fertilization yet. Okay. Is that even a word? Yeah. It is. That's alright then. Alright, someone's doing it. That's good. What's this missing? Insufficient algae. Oh! New duplicant ready. Right then, so I guess if there's not enough algae, let's dig all this out. Oh, that's working. Alright, so that's almost done. Is it done? So I think it's working. They just need to deliver some sand, I think. Let's dig this up. Is anybody gonna deliver sand? Hello? There's a food shortage. Still, okay. I'm producing. Oh. So, why aren't you? What do you need? Hmm. Want some more mealworm? Okay. Okay. So hopefully this should start working soon. Well, there's some fertilizer there. Let's dig that up. Actually, let's not for now. Let's see. Power. This should be producing. I don't know why it's not pumping. Hmm. Have I really got them wired up to the wrong one, maybe? Output pipe. filtered output pipe. So that goes to there, yeah. And that goes to there. Hmm. That one converts water into oxygen, and that one converts water into carbon dioxide. Okay, so I've got those now. Let's see. Let's go with some decor things, because they will help. Let's build a battery there and see if that helps. Okay. It's connected. I don't know. Is it because I've got no sand or something? What are you? Sand. Okay, so let's dig all this here up and see if that works. Because maybe I've just got a lot of sandstone and didn't realise it. Ooh. Do not do those ones. Oh, poor guy. He just fell down. So, can someone deliver the sand, maybe? Is that what's missing? They're mostly picking up algae. Yep, algae. They're picking up the algae. And it's nighttime. And with that, I believe it's a perfect time to end it, because it is... I have run out of time for recording. So thank you all for watching. I hope to maybe get this figured out, seeing though it's not working at the minute for some reason.